a real estate agent with United Real Estate Properties here in Lane County, Oregon. And it is already May. So have you been keeping up on your home's maintenance? If not, that's okay. I have 7 home maintenance tips for the month of May to get you back on track. And remember, I do monthly maintenance tips, so subscribe so you don't miss out on one. All right, let's get to it. So number 1, inspect brick and stone patios and walkways. Freezing temperatures can wreak havoc on hardscape surfaces made of loose brick, stone, and concrete paving materials. Check to see if frost heave and erosion have caused pavers to shift, rise, or sink. You'll want to fix any unevenness for safety as well as aesthetic reasons. Number 2, feed your lawn. After a wet spring, your lawn might be looking quite rich and lush. So sit back and relax, right? No, grass loves nutrients, so now's the time to add high nitrogen fertilizer to help suppress weeds and keep your lawn looking great all summer. Number 3, repair wood fences and gates. Cycles of cold and wet weather cause wood to move, twist, and warp. That can make garden gates fall out of alignment and can cause fence pickets to loosen or fall off. Check for signs of loose fencing and fix sagging gates. And number 4, mulch flower and vegetable beds. Prevent evaporation and help keep weeds in check by insulating planting beds with 2 to 4 inches of mulch. Set aside a mulching day and have a landscaping service deliver bulk mulch and dump it where you can get to it easily, like your driveway. Plan on 1 cubic yard of mulch to cover 100 square feet, with mulch 3 inches deep. Number 5, wash windows. As your yard takes shape and your gardens come into full bloom, you'll want to see everything clearly. It's time to wash away winter's dirt and grime from your windows. Have a partner clean the outside while you clean the inside of the same window. That way you can identify which side of the glass contains lingering streaks and smudges and get rid of them on the spot. Plus, who wants to clean alone? Number 6, get your grill in gear. Before you fire up the old barbecue, make sure your grill is clean and that any gas hoses and connections are secure. No matter what kind of grill you have, invest in the grill brush or other coarse cleaning brush. Remove the grates and metal plates beneath them and soak them in hot soapy water for 5 to 10 minutes, then scrub hard. To rinse, spray them with a hose. Cover the area where the grates usually go with foil and use a stiff grill brush to clean grime from the hood and inside walls. Use a cleaner specifically designed for your grill surface and reassemble all parts. Number 7, make sure your air conditioner is cool. Now's your last chance to double check your air conditioning unit and make sure it's in good working order before the mercury starts to rise. Hook up a garden hose and spray the outside of the condenser to remove any dust that settles on the unit and connections. And yes, dust can affect your air conditioner's effectiveness. Don't use a brush and be careful if pressure washing. You could damage or bend the fins. Make sure to change the filter too. Alright, thank you for watching. I will continue with my series for the first time homebuyer next Monday. So if you're thinking about buying a home or know someone who's looking, check out our channel or send your friend our link. We have way over 100 videos about real estate and fun things to do in Lane County, Oregon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we post new videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks for watching.